Hello everybody, we meet again on this question and answer. Today's question is, how can we live our life based on the middle way philosophy? Technically, living a life in the middle way means being balanced, means living with simplicity, means living in moderations. In order to achieve that, first we must understand what is the purpose of life or everything that we do. For example, we eat every single day. Especially each day we think about what should we eat, how much calories in this food. How many times in our life we actually think, why are we eating? What is this for? Once we understand the purpose of things that we do, then we can find the right way to do it. And that right way is called the middle way. So in order to live a life in the middle way, first we learn to understand the purpose. And second, practice meditation. Practice meditation brings about mindfulness, bring about being in the present moment. So we are more aware of things that happen. So we know when it is too much or too little, that we can adjust our life to be in the moderation again. So please, from today, everybody, meditation help find the balance in your life.